Alright, good people. The first piece of my Samsung order has finally arrived. Um, it's late, I'm tired, but time is always against me, so let's get into this and see exactly what we got. Batman knife at the ready. Let's go.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Discover Samsung 1 week only. I actually looked at this today. There's some pretty good things on sale, but I spent what I have on their releases, so let's see what we got. And there we have it. Z Flip 4 Bespoke Edition. Note how they have it with all the various colors you can get with the Bespoke. There's actually more colors than this, but I assume these were some of the more popular colors. But it does look nice on the box with the black and the gray. A quick look around the box. You have the Samsung name, nothing on this side. The name of the device itself, all of your barcodes. This is a 256 gig device. No, that's good to know. And a lot of the information that no one ever really reads on these boxes. Now let's get into the device itself. Always cut away. And let's take a quick look here. Wow. You know what? That is very pretty. That is extremely pretty. I honestly didn't remember those were the colors that I chose. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's take a quick look at this amazing device. Wow. So I chose the gold frame around the entire device, and it looks so much better in reality than in the pictures. White at the back, red at the top, and the black, because you know that's where an actual screen is. You can't actually change the top piece here. It's always going to be that black. But the red, black, and white, I didn't even realize that it was the Trinidadian flag colors when I was designing the device. That does pay partial heritage to my background, because my father was Trinidadian and my mother Jamaican. So I guess this goes to his side. This is amazing. Now, unlike the first Z, well, I did have the first one. Well, unlike the first one and the third one, my wife has the third one. They have this black plastic over the screen to ensure it's not damaged in any way, shape, or form during transport, I would assume. Thus, there's an arrow right here. Let's take this off. You know, as tired as I was, somehow I got an extra burst of energy unboxing this thing. And man, look at that. I must say, as far as the packaging goes, there isn't much there. But as far as how they package the device itself in its little plastic here, that is something to behold. Very good job. It's the little things that make the presentation that much better when it comes to these devices. Let's stop gawking at the device for a quick bit there and take a quick look at the device itself. We have the volume rocker at the side, the power/fingerprint scanner on the same side. We have antenna lines going down the side itself. At the bottom we have the speaker grill, or a speaker grill. We have USB-C port, one cord to rule them all. I'm pretty sure these ports here, these two little holes, are for something. I can't tell. Perhaps mics? I'm guessing maybe mics for when you speak. Another antenna line. On the opposite side, we have two more antenna lines. We have the SIM card tray. I'm not sure what this strip here might be. It's not a button, but there must be some functionality as to why there is this little piece at the side of the phone. I will have to look into that. At the top, we have another small hole, and that's it for the frame. The front, you see we have a hole punch front-facing camera, the foldable glass for the screen, and at the back we have the two main cameras. If I remember correctly, one is a telephoto lens and one is a regular. Don't quote me on that. This is an external display when it's powered on, and this is just the frame. There's something written down here. And in all honesty, I can't make out what it says. And there you have it, people. Samsung Bespoke Edition, gold frame with the white and red. Now let's put this down for a quick bit, because I realize I didn't even check the box, and I know that boxes never have much in it, but this seems to have even less. Did I miss something? Is there not even a power cord this time around? Well, that might be the case. Check here. Oh no, it's not that bad. Just because I love the way that this looks in its case. Let's put this right back, just like that. That's amazing. Use this, pull up that. Let's see what we have. Samsung. Okay, we have SIM ejection tool, and you know what's going on with the SIM trays if Apple has its way. So let's be happy that at least for now we still get said tools to have free access to our SIM card. And they have the USB-C to USB-C cord wrapped around real nice and neat. No brick, as to be expected. You can tell from the size of the box you aren't getting a brick in there. But all of the basics that you would need to set up your phone and charge your device are all here in the box, as well as they should be. Nothing special, nothing unique, as I've always said, unboxings pretty much suck now, at least for US phones. Let's put this back, put that back there, and take one more look at this. Wow. If this is not a unique device, I don't know what is. Wow. This color scheme, so much better when you see it in person as opposed to designing it online. This is just overly so very pretty. Well, with that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and let's do a quick unboxing of the Z Flip 4 Bespoke Edition. This is what I'm into.